morning, Don here from Superblast on this dark and gloomy morning. We got a line of showers approaching the coast. I got an easy day. I just want to get it knocked out. I got my raincoat on, so we got a light drizzle. I'm just going to go ahead and get to the job a little earlier. Hopefully the people don't mind, and we can get this day knocked out. 2 driveways, small little driveways with HOA sidewalks and the gutter in the road. Then I got another bigger driveway to do with some rust removal. So that's going to be our day. And here's what it's looking like so far. All right, I'm done. Let's get after it. Hey, it's raining, so I'm parked. It's got thunder and lightning. It's a short line, so probably about a half hour, 45-minute wait in the van here. But I am here. I got a big bolt in my front tire. My fan started going whoop, 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 whoop. I'm like, oh no, my trailer. It felt like it was the trailer, but it's not. It's a big bolt in the front right. So I'll one-leg it on out of here and get to the nearest tire location and get this baby fixed after this job. I have another job in here after this rain goes. Well, the gentleman just came out, very happy that I'm here in the rain. He didn't expect that. Then he just added the lanai in the back. Small little screened in area. And then the second job in here also added their small enclosed screen area, which is fine by me. Extra money is always good, right? And I wanted to mention, learned a couple new things over the past few weeks from you guys out there, teaching me some lingo on the algae versus mold conversation. I always like to call things mold, but it's not actually mold. It's algae. Come on, man. You can teach an old dog new tricks. And I also learned that you get a gallon extra per minute when you're doing surface cleaning and you unhook the injector. Good information. Anyway, there's a couple things I've learned over the past few weeks, and I thank all you guys for that. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and sit here in the van. You can see that driveway out there is pretty dirty. And we'll see you when we get back. All right, get after it. Man, check this weather. It is pouring out here. You can hear that, right? I'm never gonna give up. I gotta get this bolt fixed. I'm here at George's. They gotta order me some tires, but they are gonna go ahead and fix it for me. We'll be back when we get to work. I left my pressure hose hooked up to the job, told the guy I'd be back. He paid me for 2 jobs, and here we are. All right, that's rock and roll. Get after it! Sometime today, maybe. Okay, here we are, finally. The driveway's black. Very nasty looking sidewalks. And we're here to do the back porch as well, so. Let's come on back here and get after it. Let's check this thing out. I asked them about the house because it's a mess, but they're going to come and paint it, so they don't need me to clean it. They'll clean it themselves. That's what happens when you get a painter. I got all this mold and stuff right here on the outside of here. See that? On these railings. So I'll probably want to hit this from the outside first. I got my hose inside. So we'll go ahead and bring it back out, and then we'll go ahead and get after it. Let's go. have a look. This is all black, grout everywhere before we got here. Screens were green, the windows were dirty. Everything looks good. All the greens off all these bars, both ways. It's looking good. Door was green, the banister was green, the steps were black. Man, we're getting after it. Now we're gonna get after the driveway, then we'll be on to the next one. We gotta just go really fast so we can catch up. I've wasted 3 hours of today, and there's some mold right there. I'm gonna get that off, and it's algae, not mold. Let's get after it. See you up front. That's how you doing, huh? Look at the difference. See the neighbor over there, black. You know, like right there. Me no like it. Look at the gutter in the rear there. When you want it done right, that's who you call. All them streaks that were there are gone. We had some mold over here. It's gone. Sidewalk has some mold on it. This is dissipating here a little bit. That's some tough stuff right there. We'll go ahead and hit it one more time while we're reeling in these hoses. Then we'll be right back for a final review of those specific spots. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have that final look. It's gone, see that? Finishes the job up looking perfect. Beautiful. All the algae is gone. The driveway looks great. Pre-treat with a couple little spits of spot treat because I had some lineage right here. It's Elgato. All right, time to go up this block here and do the second job. Then we're going to get ourselves a salad for lunch, and then we're gonna get after it. Okay, here we are, job number 2. Making some progress here. About the same size job. Small driveway, little walkway to the front door. The gutter in the road has to get done. Not too bad. Now let's go around the back. Let's get this machine fired up. I had a guy asking me questions the other day about how I run my machine. Do I run it on full blast? Only when I'm doing concrete do you run it full blast, okay? Other than that, it's 3/4 speed. I'm going to be doing that lanai back there, so it's going to be 3/4 speed. When we come back out and we get done SH and everything, we're going to unhook the injector so we get that extra gallon a minute. And let's get after it. That's all the speed you need. For the most part, you can see down here that the floor is dirty, mostly. We'll go ahead and get this thing out. Gonna SH it on down first, and we'll go ahead and do that live for you, all right? That's right. Come on, soap. The soap tip's on, so watch the soap come out. Here it comes. There it is. And this lanai is not that bad, just the floor is dirty, really. Go ahead and hit the screens and the aluminum. Always hit the wall here. All it takes to get these little things clean, just a little couple minutes. And see how these doors are? You don't want to ever blow in this way. You always want to go that way. Okay? Okay. All right, it's easy as that, you know. Get it all nice and soaped up. Let that sit for a couple seconds there. Rinse and repeat. There's some black stripes right there. Let's get that off of there. Always mold it this when the door gets shut, so make sure you get the entryway of the door. All right. And of course, it rained a lot. Just got done pouring for hours, so I'm not really worried about this SH getting anywhere. Plus, it's only 1.2%. We're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and get after the satisfying runs. All right, just that easy. Floor's nice and clean. Just need some paint along that edge there where it's been getting moldy over and over for years. Nice little homes here, small places. This is like a 1,500 square foot house. Okay, now we got this mold on the outside here, or algae on this back porch here step. Just let that sit there and drip off for a little bit. And I'll be back with the pump up to hit that, and it'll be perfectly clean. All right, now we're going to get out front and get after this driveway. Then we're going to go home and get some lunch. Then we're going to go to job number 3, where we have some hard water stains to remove, and a driveway and some sidewalks. And that's a bigger ticket, so we'll see what's entailed when we get there. But right now, let's get after this monster. First, we're going to put down some SH. Sticky Icky Pine is the name of the game, baby. And you know what? I haven't given my boys a plug. I put GT Builds on last night. Gary down there, he's like the master rig builder. Ameritech pressure cleaning systems, baby. Tampa, Florida. It speaks for itself. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Look at that. Beautiful. Gutter in the road looks awesome. All right. Walkway looks good. Cleaned all this porch out up here. All that spotlessly clean. All right. Okay, want to be a problem? All right, let's walk around the back. I had mentioned earlier I was going to spray that Little slab outside the back door here with some SH. Has some green mold on it and some stains that weren't coming off. So it's the Magic Juice in the Chapin bug sprayer, pump up sprayer. Oh yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. See all that? Another job well done. My stomach is getting ready to eat my back, so I need to get my butt on back to the house and get me something to eat. Then we'll go kill some rust and some algae off some other bigger project. All right? All right, hope you all having a good day. The rain subsided. It's coming on and off. I think that's about it for the day though. All right, let's get after it. Oh, I also wanted to mention you got Joe Deary over there at Powerful Improvements. Bam! I love that logo, dude. He's building a nice big rig. There's a lot of guys doing new stuff because they're down for the winter. I don't know what I would do if I had to be shut down. I'd be driving my wife nuts, I know that. Rebuilding rigs like these guys are. Then you got the Fresh Rinse. Hey dude, what's going on with the Facebook thing? We're all ready for that. Haven't heard from you. Let's see some exciting stuff. You got a new rig going too. All right, you guys need to get after it. Okay, here we are. This is the last job of the day. It's corner lot. From that equipment over there, all the way around the corner, and you can see down the block there where the sidewalk's clean and where it's not clean. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing knocked out. For you downstream injector guys, here's your injector. You hook it to your loader. You'll see this on your machine. Plug your injector into there, plug your line into there. You're ready to go to work. And then you run your see that little white tube right there, line. It's going down that tank over there. That's my SH tank, sodium hydrochloride. Chlorine, in other words, if you're looking for the correct word for that. All right, we're going to hook this water up and then we're going to get after it. We'll be right back. This sidewalk's pretty dirty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run both machines. We're going to get 12 gallons a minute and we're going to bang this puppy out. All right, let's get after it. That didn't take long at all, about a half an hour to do the whole thing. Gutter in the road, sidewalk all the way down to there, all the way over to there, that porch, and a little slab in the back as well. All right, now we're gonna rinse this off with 12 gallons a minute. It ain't gonna take long, about a minute. I'm only kidding. Let's get after it. we're gonna be done here. I got a couple streaks here and there, not much. So we're gonna go ahead and put a post street down and be done with it. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a final review. Look at that. That corner's popping, boy. Corner lot. A lot of cars been driving it by the whole time. Everything looks good. Streak free is what we're looking for here. Perfect. Let's go over and look at the driveway. "12 gallons a minute, knock this baby right out." All right, all the streaks are gone. Everything's good. All right, that's a wrap. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Hit the bell, be notified of all the pressure washing craziness. And let's get after it, man. All right, let's have a look at this. Look at that monster. That's what you call a morning. Well, that is going to wrap up the day. That's a good way to start the morning, with a big old bolt in your tire. The rig did really well. We did get all the work done today. It was a good day. I did find out what was clogging up the water line today. This morning before I left, I went ahead and turned it on. I got some pretty good pressure here at the house. So a big old toad was in there. He came plopping into the filter right here, and he didn't look very happy, so I just tossed him over the fence over there, and I'm sure the birds got him. There's a lot of hawks around here, but that fat little bastard was clogging me all up. All right, I'm just getting in from a good day's work. Now it's time to come into the studio and the office and get started on getting things happening here for you guys. All right, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Hit the bell, be notified of the crazy pressure washing madness that goes on here at Super Blast, and get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it. Look at this guy, man. He's going to get after it.
Get after it at Halsey point forward.
It's an automatic. Sounds like it's taking a crap. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it!